up, everybody? It's your girl Liz, and I'm back again with a very interesting topic. Today we are going to play a game. Let me explain the game. The game is producing sounds, and the person mwenye atacheka kwa hii game anatoka. And as you can see, I'm with my friends. So whoever wins anapewa thou. So let my friends say hi, then we start the game immediately. Hi. Yeah. Here is the winner, and of course, dawa yako utapata. It has been an interesting game, and let me call my friends to say goodbye to you guys. Bye guys. Bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.